Alright, so today I got a weed eater, and I'm pretty sure from what it sounds like it just sat, so it does not run. It's a Husqvarna, so I'm going to just try to get it started, and I don't think there's any fuel in it. There's no fuel in it, so I'm going to need to get fuel. I'm only going to put a little bit of fuel in there because if I have to take the carburetor apart, I don't want a ton of fuel in here. Just priming it a bunch. Ooh. I can't tell if there's fuel in the prime bulb or not. This whole thing might be clogged up, so I might have to pull this apart and see what's inside. Those two 5/16. I could just put some carb cleaner in there and see if it'll run. Well, I should put 2-cycle in it. Carb cleaner, I guess, with 2-cycle engines could ruin it. That's not gonna help. If I didn't pour so much in there, maybe it would have worked. Let's try again. Oh. Oh. So it does run. Oh! Yeah, I'm probably gonna still have to clean the carburetor, because I'm assuming something's still clogged in there. Yeah. So it does run. I do just have to take it apart. Alright, here's the carburetor. It's got some nasty stuff all over it. I'm going to crack this so the fuel don't start leaking out of it. Oh, there we go. Disconnect throttle cable. We're going to have to disconnect fuel ones. This goes on the primer bulb. Left goes on the primer bulb portion. Right goes on the actual carburetor, if that makes sense. That's how I'm going to remember it. Now I can get a screwdriver and pull this apart. Alright, let's pull this off and see what it looks like. Crack her open. Oh. Don't look too bad. I don't know if I want to pull this out. I should pull everything out to see where it goes. That's going into the primer bulb. Oh, and then... Okay, so that's clear. So what about this one? I think it's only getting into one of my cuts. Not going anywhere else. Yes, it burns. Yep, I'm going to continue to do it. I don't know where it's going. I'm just pulling all of this off. I'll check under this thing here in a second. I'm just going to spray through all these holes to see if these are all clear. That sprayed all over my hand. Where'd that come out of? Okay. Where's that coming out of? Right here. Yeah, so that thing's clear. I think that's coming out where the needle is. Yeah, I think that's everything. Let's take this gasket off without destroying it. No, I have not destroyed a gasket like this before, trying not to destroy it. See, perfectly clean. I'm going to spray it out anyways because it looks a little dirty. Just make sure all the holes are clear. Gently put the gasket back on. Clean the little bit of dirt off that I got on there. If there was anything even clogged. The primer bulb was clogged. I should probably pull this to make sure these are all clear. Because if these aren't clear, then it probably won't work. Because one of these works because it was getting in here. I don't know what this is, but it's not spraying out anywhere. Yep, well, I have no idea. I think it's fine. This probably goes this way. I don't think it matters. It might. Let me know down in the comments if that matters. This matters, I know that. Alright, I don't think I need to check the back side of this gasket. There's usually nothing. Yeah, I don't even know what this is for. Now, this goes on this way. I wonder if the fuel filter could just be clogged, so it just won't get fuel to the carburetor at all. That could be a thing, like the thing in there. Couldn't that just be all gummed up? Guess we'll find out. If it works, goes on this way. I don't like that this is loose either. It's probably not supposed to be loose. It won't be loose when I tighten it down, I guess. You guys remember which way these went on? good. Yeah, this one goes on the outside. I'm just gonna grab some needle nose pliers and put those on. Should be easier that way. Alright. I don't know about easier, but they're on. Throttle cable back on before I forget to do that. And then be like, why is it not working at all? Well, you didn't hook up the throttle cable. That would be why. For one, let's just see if the prime bulb works. No? Let's see what's in here. Can't see anything in there. This needs to be closed. I don't think this has to be on all the way. It's just kind of the fuel hooked up, right? I can feel the pressure because it's not easy to push this prime bulb in. It's just not getting fuel. Okay, that released some of the pressure, and now it's just building it back up with no fuel. Is something clogged? Or could it be the fuel filter? Could it be the gas cap? I mean, it could be this too, couldn't it? So I don't even know how this thing works. Here it is. Only took forever. I'm just gonna try to do this. Alright, it's on. It's in the fuel. It's still not getting fuel, so I don't think that was it. This has a crack in it, and I think that might be the reason why it's not working. So I'm just gonna flip it and hopefully not drop it, because of course this has to have specific type of fuel lines, so I'm not gonna be able to just replace them. Okay, clipped off the broken part. Guess I just gotta try and shove this on here. Alright, now it's on. Nothing. Aha, this whole fuel line's cracked. That's not good because I can't just replace this, I have to replace the entire thing. And I'll have to order whatever this is and figure out how to replace it. Get back to you when I get that thing. Alright, so I got this fuel line thing finally, however long that took. Now I can pop this one out of here, however this comes off. There we go. Fuel filter on this one, and I'll just stick it back in. I don't remember which fuel line's supposed to go on what side, so I might have to swap these around after I put them on if it doesn't work, because this is the one that has the filter on it, so it's the one longer in the fuel, so I'm assuming that one will go back one, and then this would be the return one if I didn't mix those up. It's not doing nothing. So what if I swap them? Seems like it's trying to work. It's like starting to get fuel in there, so I am going to put everything back on and see if it's somehow letting air in there that I need to block up. Should probably put the fuel line back on, or the throttle cable. Alright, let's prime it now and see if it works. Well, I mean, it runs now, but still not getting enough fuel, I don't think, through the prime bulb somehow. It doesn't necessarily idle either. Might need to mess with these two down in there. I mean, other than it smoking a ton from, I don't really know, it does work, but it does not idle necessarily because it just shuts off. I have no idea. Go back with this screw here. Okay, that's all the way tight. Let me do that. But I think these would be the ones that I need to turn. Nope, then it shuts off. This does look all gunked up and oily and stuff. I wonder if that screen thingy needs cleaned. Whatever this thing in here collects like carbon and stuff. This is gonna be very hot. This could be all plugged up and not allowing a good airflow. Again, this is hot. That looks pretty clean, but since I'm in here, I might as well clean all this off so it stops smoking. I'm gonna go grab a paper towel and wipe all that off. Alright, just clean this up a little bit and hope this stops it from smoking. This is not hot anymore, and this was on here like this. The rest of the exhaust is still very hot. Guess that's how that was, wasn't it? Unless this matters, this will help the fuel air ratio. Let's try it with all this on, see if it runs any better. Oh, and it just dies. Yeah, I don't know why it just shuts off. Oh, ran out of fuel. So something must be blocking. I mean, it's like it's getting fuel, it's just not getting a lot of fuel. It's leaking out of this. So if I had to guess, that's my problem. Well, it's supposed to breathe through that though, but now it's actually filled up more. No, it's just gone now. I have no idea. Alright, the only thing I can think of is that it was leaking fuel out of this gas cap. I don't entirely know if that's the problem, so I'm just gonna plug it up, assuming that's gonna make it work by not letting air in, even though it's supposed to let air in. So I have no idea. Somehow something's not allowing fuel to go in here. But would it be blocked in this side or the other side? It's kind of the only thing I don't know. Because I'm pretty sure from all my tests, everything was cleared. Everything had a way to go. All I can do is take it apart one more time. Alright, I don't know exactly what I did any differently than last time, but I went back through, took the whole carburetor apart, and I was poking all the holes with this again, and now the prime bulb is working. So now I'm going to put it all back together and run it. Why does it look like it's slowly draining? Why is it bubbling like that? What's happening? Why is it just leaking out like that? Why is it just draining? What the heck? That's very weird. Now it's not filling up anymore either. Huh? It all just drained right out of the prime bulb. Now I'm very confused. Should be right. Why does it drain out like that? Alright, I need to go do some more research. I've never seen that before. Alright, I'm not really sure what's wrong with this other than when I prime it, air eventually gets sucked out of here, I think. No, it's not draining anymore. So maybe it just had to take some time to seal. And maybe there's nothing wrong with it now. Because it's slowly draining. Maybe it's not draining. Yeah, no, it's draining. It's just a matter of how is it getting air in there. I'm just going to dry all this off and try and get a good seal on it, and maybe that'll work. I guess I got to put the carburetor back on to see if it works. I don't know why it just drains. It just doesn't make any sense. Well, you can see a whole lot more grass from the last time when I was trying this. I mean, the prime bulb holds a little bit of fuel, but it doesn't hold as much as I feel like it should. But I'm just going to see if it'll stay running with how it is. And I guess if you guys know how to actually fix that, or what else I should check to actually fix it, let me know down in the comments, because that's about all it's holding. I don't know if that's normal for this type of weed eater or not. My nut's unscrewing itself. I don't know if you guys saw that. I don't want that. They are just hand tight, so. I gotta put it all back together, I suppose, so this is all staying on there. Or I just gotta tighten it down. I don't know, it seems like it's fine. Yeah, it seems fine. I should just throw it all back together, test it with all the air filters and everything on. But it seems fine now. I just feel like that doesn't have as much fuel in it as it should. So I'm gonna slap all that back together. Alright, I could use some help on that one. I don't know what else I could try. I've tried replacing the fuel lines because it had holes in them. Tried getting a better seal on there. I've tried the gas cap, tried adjusting it. I've messed with like the floating needle, try to get the needle to sit down better on the, however, I don't even know how that even works on this because there's no float. So if someone can explain that to me, then maybe that'll also help. But I don't know why it just shuts off like that, because it's because it runs out of fuel, but I don't know why it runs out of fuel. Something stopping the fuel from flowing consistently through the carburetor. If you have any ideas on that, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see me trying to fix more stuff, subscribe. And here's a video maybe you haven't seen yet, so check that video out, and I'll see you in the next video.